Good morning and welcome to ISY111 Ethics in the Information Age for spring 2018. I'm your instructor. For the next 8 weeks, my name is Chris Terranova. I'm an instructor at the Wilmington campus. I posted a welcome letter under, I believe, getting started. So if you want to read that, you read a little bit more information about me. But I just want to give a quick overview of the course. I received some emails over the weekend, which is a good thing. You are getting a start on everything, before classes even start. So just want to point out some key points throughout the course quickly. And if you have any questions, feel free to email me. I'll show you where my contact information is for my email or for my telephone, and including my office location. So let's start off with that first. Under instructor information, here's my email, cterran1@dtcc.edu. My work phone, please leave a message, but include which course it is and your name so I know who to call back. And of course the phone number. Believe it or not, a lot of people forget to leave their phone number. Don't forget those. Syllabus schedule and policies. These are essentially your contracts for the course from me to you. Your course syllabus, if you open that up, will be available at all times within this course in this location. So like I said, this is going to be an 8-week course. We will be ending March 3rd. So 2-credit course, 2 lecture hours per week. This course is going to be 100% online. So essentially we're going to be talking about ethical computing. It involves hacking, political activism, pretty good history of ethics and how that began. So I will have posted a short syllabus quiz probably next week. So please get familiar with the syllabus this week and just examine it. So it's a pretty interesting course. It's a fun course, face-to-face and online. So hopefully we get some good discussions this semester. Course grading and policies. Save this on my computer real quick. Alright, so here's your weighted total for your grades. 40% homework, 16 for discussion boards, 4 for discussion board responses, 20 for midterm, and 20 for final. Here is the college-wide grading policy. A little bit of information about the readings, the assignments on labs, class participation is all within here. And most importantly is our course schedule. So it's going to be pretty much similar every week. I'm going to have a weekly folder set up, and I'll show you where those are located for all your readings and assignments. You will need your textbook for this course. It's 100% driven by your textbook, so you will find that useful. So here is our weekly schedules. This is a tentative schedule, so this is based off a 13-week course. So I will be doubling up some of these subjects into 1 week. So we need to cut it down to 1 week. So where it says midterm due, that will actually be your final due. And I should have that done today. I've been working on it all weekend, and I'm just trying to make it make sense for everybody else. So it will be located here in a new version. This is your book information. The price is $120, but if you find it on Amazon or anywhere online for much cheaper, by all means, I would do that. If you have financial aid, you will have to go through the bookstore and purchase it through them, so you get it through your financial aid money. Here's their ISBN number. So that is the unique identifier for that book. That way you can go on and Amazon or something like that, just copy paste the ISBN number and paste it in Amazon search or Google search, and it should find the books for you. Alright, learning materials. This is probably going to be the folder that you're going to be in the most. Like I said, I have the weeks set up already, but I like to throttle my course, make sure not too many of you jump ahead because there are a lot of discussions, so I don't want you to write all your discussions for 3 weeks and then go back and respond to everybody else later on. It just doesn't work that way. So let's take a look at week 1, Catalyst for Change, as an example. So there's my welcome note. You can review that course disclaimer, reading sections, what I want you to read each week that pertain to your assignments and weekly discussion boards. Just some supplemental material, some things to think about, and your first assignment. So I want to try to make your assignments all in red. That way you know exactly what you need to complete by Sunday. So which leads me to that. All your work is going to be due by Sunday at midnight, and some subjects will require a little bit more work, so I will extend it, and I will make sure that I let you know a few times before the assignment's even due. That way everybody's on the same page. So yeah, all your assignments are going to be in red. And if you look at this, well, if you look at the schedule, you'll see we have some discussion boards. They're located within here. I didn't make them available yet because we won't be doing discussion boards until week 2 or week 3. Definitely week 2 we'll have our first discussion board. So these are some things to really think about, and you'll interact with your classmates on here and comment on theirs. Maybe come up with some ideas that they didn't present, or vice versa. They'll give you some feedback on some things that you didn't present as an idea. So discussion boards, we will make them pretty useful. I'll also include journals, for some reflection, so I can see your better understanding of a certain subject or something like that. So that's pretty much how we're going to run the course. All your assignments, again, I'm going to open up each week, and we'll take this on a week-by-week basis. I think it's a lot easier for everybody. It's a lot easier for you, so you know what you're doing, each 7 days, and I could better grade you and give you better feedback by throttling the course a little bit that way. So get started on week 1 folder. You have one assignment in there today. It's a short essay, so don't wait until last minute. When we have discussion boards, I'm going to make this known again with probably another video, but discussion boards, your first initial post will be due on Wednesday, and you need to respond to 2 other classmates by Sunday of the same week. So the reason why I have you do it by Wednesday is it gives everybody else enough time to rate their own post and to comment on everybody else, so they're not waiting on slackers or anything like that. We will be having a couple of Adobe Connect meetings throughout the semester, probably next week or week 3, and then another one towards the end. And I'm going to treat this like a virtual office hour, and I'll probably set up a time 7 to 9, and just leave my web conference connection open. And if you want to drop in and ask any questions, you can do that. If you want to talk about anything, you can do that too. So I'll post those dates when that time nears. Course email. And now you can email single people, all instructors, and all you student users, so all you guys. So if you need to communicate with each other, you can do that. If you need to communicate with me, you just hit single and select users, scroll down to my name, and just move it over, do the subject, do the email like you normally would do. And my grades. So this is something you might want to print out. So these are all the assignments that we're going to be doing this semester. You can see assignments, discussion boards, midterm, quiz, all that stuff. So if you want to print this out, I would treat it as a checklist. It has the description of it, and it has how many points each assignment's worth. So that's it. Blackboard help. There's a link here for Blackboard help. This will help you if you need to post any assignments. If it doesn't help you out, then please just email me, and I can walk you through posting assignments or discussion boards or something like that. When we do have our first discussion board, I'm going to post a video demonstrating how to do a discussion board. That way, there aren't any questions, and you guys can knock through that assignment pretty quickly. So, yeah, I sent this through an email. I'll also post this in the Getting Started folder, and that way, if you need to refer to this video for anything, you can. Fast forward, rewind, all that capabilities will be there. So I'm looking forward to good discussions, creative writing, humor, all that stuff for the next 8 weeks. I know it's online, but we're going to try to make it pretty interactive as I can. So good luck to everybody in the next 8 weeks. Good luck in your other classes. And like I said, if you have any questions, feel free to email me. You can stop by. I'm at the Wilmington campus, West Wing, 251. So look forward to a nice semester. Good luck, everybody.